On Chamet, you open your Chamet. I want to show you how you can do your task. You open your Chamet, you come here, you go to my task. When you see your task, this one says go live for 5 minutes. You click on go. When you click on go, this is what you will see. Then you click on go live. When you click on go live, then you come here, this place that it looks like there's community, you click on it. When you click on it, you click on random pk. When you click on random pk, it will connect you with anybody that is online. You just chat to that person. Make sure you stay with that person for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it go off, then you collect your beans. Now also on Chamet, even if you're not getting any calls, please always do your task. You go live for 5 minutes, accept random call for 1 minute, accept call for 1 time, receive gift. You try, and for you to receive this gift you have to go live. Okay, then you go to people. There's always a group live, you can always go there. You understand? A call that lasted, a video call that you always do your task. Even if you're not receiving call, this is your call. If you finish all these tasks, you are going to get 300 beans. Okay, because this go live will give you 10 times 5, that's 50. You understand? This is also 50. So when you calculate all these things, it will give you 300 beans, and that 300 beans is something also. So try to always do your tax on a daily basis. And you want to check how many money you have made. You will come to here, you see my beans, you click on my beans. When you click on my beans, you wait. This is how much you have made, but it's not yet $10. Until it's $10, that's when you can withdraw. Then when you want to withdraw, you come to withdraw. When you come to withdraw, got it? Then because I've already bind mine, do you understand? I will now write how much I want to withdraw here. I click on withdraw. It will go to their Meet wallet. From their Meet wallet, you can now take the money. It will list an account in Nigeria that they work with. I heard today that they have removed OPay, so but every other bank is there. So you can also check and find out the bank. I cannot do it because now I don't have up to $10 to withdraw. If I have up to $10 to withdraw, I'll still do a video so that you see how withdrawal is done.